I assembled my motor controller up against the front part of my chassis. I just wanted to show you guys how I assembled it. I used M3 screws over the top. These were drilled holes and threaded. So there was also an L bracket here that is bolted up against the controller itself, and then two L brackets here. And these are M5 screws that I used. And there's one long threaded rod that goes through here with sectioned tubes that were cut so that once these two nuts were compressed, and I will be adding lock washers here, that way it's compressed and there will be no vibration, no movement whatsoever. So that's what the front part of the chassis looks like. And this is the backside. Well, technically, I guess this is the front. Either way, I already bolted up the wiring to the controller itself, so it's slowly coming along. But this is what I ended up doing as far as mounting my controller for the GS500.